Hi everyone, hope you're well. It's been a minute since I last uploaded, but I'm off interrailing today, so I thought I'd make this into a sort of a series almost. So I'm flying into Amsterdam first, and my flight's in like 6 hours or so. Still have to finish packing and all that, so I'm gonna do that and meet you back at the airport. Right, just done packing there, and that's everything I'll have on me for the next 3 weeks. So this is day 2 in Amsterdam. Full disclosure, I got to my hostel last night. There it is. That's where it is. And I went out for a few hours and completely forgot to record anything. So I've taken a bunch of photos and they'll all be up on my Instagram, so I might leave a link to that in the description. But plan for today is to do a walking tour, and I think that's in about an hour or so. And yeah, after that do some more exploring. I might go up there tonight or later on today. I think the last ticket is at like 8 or 9 o'clock or something, but I'll find that out later. And yeah, so let's go towards the walking tour. So I just got to the meetup point there for the tour. It said to meet in front of the stock exchange, and I think that's it there. I don't know if you can see the bull or whatever, but I think that's the stock exchange. The tour's at 11 and right now it's like, what, 20 to? So I'm probably a bit early, but still it's a nice place, like very nice looking square. So yeah, so they said to look out for a big yellow umbrella, so I'll just wait for your man to show up. So, just finished the tour there. It was actually really good. It was talking about all the history of Amsterdam, like from like when Amsterdam was founded up until now. It was really interesting. If you're interested in it, it was with a company called AMSTERDAM Tours, and I'll leave a link to it in the description. But it's great, like you can book it for free, and they just ask for a little tip at the end, so it's really good and I think it's really worthwhile. Right now I need to go get some food. When I was doing research for what to do when I came here, I came across this thing called the Nemo Science Museum, and apparently you can go up onto the roof for free. So it's over there. Now it's a big copper building, I think, and I'm gonna see if that's true, see if I can go up onto it. That looks like it over there. Looks like there's this little ramp or something, and I may have gone onto the wrong side, but that's fine, I can just get around. But yeah, you can see all the, well, I can see loads of people up at the top there. So yeah, that might give a nice view. Right, I decided to come back to the hostel because I'm knackered, but might as well show you around while I'm here. So this is my bunk. It's very nice, and up there you have plugs and a light. The view is not the greatest, it's a car park, but sure, look, it's alright. A painting of, I don't know if you can see it or not, it's a painting of a Starry Night Van Gogh. So yeah, there's 8 bunks in this room, and it's kind of split into 2 rooms almost. So here, like this, that's the front door, and you got your lockers here. They don't come with locks, like this is mine, I had to buy one, and they sell them at the front desk for like €6. So it'd be handy if you're going to multiple places because you can keep that lock. In here is the shower, and through there is the bathroom. So it's a nice little hostel. So what I might do now is I might like grab my laptop charger and all that and just go downstairs and do some editing. Okay, slight change of plans. So I was editing the video and the photos and all that, and I went to just play a game of pool afterwards, and there was another lad there. Ended up playing pool for like 2 hours or so. It was dead sound. But eventually I was like, crap, it's kind of too late to go up there now. So I'm gonna do that tomorrow on day 3. So for now, like, I wanted to, there's a couple of spots I want to go to for some long exposures, and they're both across the river. But I found out today that the river that the ferry runs like 24 hours. So, you know, I'm not going to be stuck over there if I stay over too long. So that's very handy. So I'm gonna, and both are very close by as well. Like, the ferry brings you into Central Station, and the first one's out like literally about 50 meters away from where the ferry drops you off, and the other one's on the other side of the station, so that should be handy. So I'm at the first spot there. I don't know if you can really see it on that, but it's like a bunch of houses on the water. I'm sure it'll turn out better in the photo. It just looks really nice. And there's some houses over there that are kind of almost like tilted to the side, almost like they're kind of slanted. So I'll see if I can go down there a bit later and take a shot of that. Day 3 in Amsterdam. It's my last day here, and I'm on my way to another walking tour, and this one's more like World War II specific. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. Not too sure about going up on the lookout tower later on because the weather's not that great, but we'll see how it is. Just finished a tour there. It was very interesting. It's with a company called Guru Walks, and the tour guide's name was John. He was really good, very informative, and getting us all to have a good chat with each other and that. There's a couple spots I want to visit. There's apparently a bridge with a nice view of the church, and I'm going to be walking over there. I decided to take a wander up to Fondle Park. It's on the other side of the city from where I'm staying. It's actually really nice up here. Like there's a cycle path over there, there's walking trails here, and it's really quiet as well. Like you wouldn't think you were in the middle of the city. Yeah, so I'll just take a wander around, and then I might head up to that lookout tower. It's really nice here, but I've been wandering around for like 40 minutes at this point, so I think I'm going to head back to that tower, and not too sure what to do after that, but I'll figure it out later. Okay, I'm back in the hostel, and I think that's me done. There's like a solo traveler like meetup on tonight. I might go to that, but yeah, I might leave this video here. So thanks very much for watching. If you enjoyed it, give me a like, and I'll see you in the next video.